Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Fikri. I study in Political Science, International Relation, Muhammadiyah University of Jakarta. Okay, let's me introduce my company. West Bike Messenger. The history of West Bike Messenger. As we know, Jakarta is the capital region in Indonesia. There are many people to come here to work. There are many people. There are a lot of people here, and the impact of overloaded people in here. It cause traffic jam, flood disaster, and many more. Okay. History of West Bike Messenger. West Bike Messenger is the name of my bike shop based on West Jakarta. Yes, starting from 2010 and 2012, especially fixie bikes once again booming, but and in 2012 began to discover fixie trend. My friend suggests to move in road bike, but I still fixie idealist. West bike we are care about the nature and combine about the environment and earth, because if we are working here, we must use our bike. We must use your bike to work. It's cost healthy. And West Bike is support parties that provide solution to traffic jam in Jakarta. Okay, next. What is West Bike Messenger? West Bike Messenger inspired by motion picture Premium Rush. We began to serve, pick up, and delivery of document and packages around Jakarta riding bicycle. It's different from many courier in Jakarta. We are using bicycle to serve pick up and delivery of document. And the more we have a biker messenger, and the less we produce less emission, hopefully will do a better good to environment and society. And then our service is we have two serve, two rates. First is VIP, in which the good will be received on the same day at the rate of 50,000 rupiah. 50,000 rupiah. VIP, you will if you are pick up today, you will destination is today too. But in VVIP goods will arrive no more than 2 hours. 2 hours since we receive the goods, and it charges 100,000 rupiah. And the area that only covers is Jakarta, Central Jakarta, South Jakarta, and West Jakarta. And And then the advantage of West Bike Jakarta. Restriction on motorcycles in the street of Jakarta protocol is not our problem. As you know, the newest local government, local wisdom of Jakarta, if motorcycle not across to the Jakarta protocol, such as Sudirman and Kuningan and many more, they are our destination. And go faster to destination, we are quite private and different from any expedition service, and there are no traffic jam. Then what the expectation of West Bike Messenger? Well, not too many people, and the campaign we invite to the community in Jakarta for cycling. With the campaign Go Green also, we hope to be seen by the government. Although we are small community, but we can do small thing to Jakarta. Okay. Also we are small community, but we can do small thing. Okay. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.